was a dreadful evening in the town of Grandfather Clock. There was a peculiar citizen creeping about under the stars. Her name was Little Blobby Bazzica. She was in the neighborhood next to the Giant Eagle, and she came across a frightening clock-like house. She couldn't bear the urge to enter the mysterious place of living, so she went in. Da-da-da-da-da.
Oh my gosh, look at his house. It's like so scary. Well, I probably shouldn't turn on the light because someone's probably been sitting there all night long waiting to stab me. So, yeah, I probably don't want to ruin their fun, so I'll just go in the house. Ollie! Hello? Is anyone in here, like, waiting for me? Hello?
Oh yeah, I'm over here and I have a really sharp knife and I'm waiting to stab you, so just make sure you make a stop at the counter, okay? Because I've been waiting here for a really long time and I really gotta pee, and so you just gotta make sure you walk past here, okay? Alright, go.
Hey.
My knife is kind of stuck here. Could you like help me so I could stab you?
No, silly. Because you're gonna like me. But if you need me, I'll be in the living room over there.
Oh my god, what are you doing in my household?
Well, some scary dude was like waiting here and he was behind the counter and he told me to walk past him. So like I did, and when I did, I walked past and he got stuck on the floor because his his knife got stuck on the floor, and he asked me for help and I'm like, no, you're gonna stab me, and I walked into here.
Well, okay then, my name is Fuddy.
Your name is Fatty. Okay, fat boy. You are kind of round. You got a little chunk in your trunk, and you're kind of plump. You're kind of like a blueberry. You kind of just roll around. You're like a tire. You just keep going. The round stuff, yeah.
First of all, my name is Fuddy. F-A...
TT.
Terrify American? Fuddy. And I am not fat. You are fat, you filthy American. You guys have a McDonald's around every corner. And you are like, oh my god, let's stop at Mickey D's. And, oh my god, let's go eat up at Mickey D's. And, well, you're like, but, there is really one thing that really gets me going. It's that 50-piece chicken nugget meal. And did you hear about that new creamy ranch sauce? I mean, well, it's just so great and amazing. I mean, you are fat Americans, and you didn't hear anything. Goodbye, Pippi.
You're a freak. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Donut. It sounds a lot like donut, you know?
No, not really.
Well, okay. Would you like a juicy, delectable donut?
No thanks.
Fine, you loser. Don't even have any friends because you don't even want a donut. You're a freak. Seriously? You just get out of here. Ching, ching, chong. What?
You're Chinese.
My name is the Mighty Dragon Warrior, and I will serve soup to you.
No thanks.
All right.
Hello?
Hi,
Hi, this is the doctor. I have good news and bad news. See, the good news is you only have 1 day to live. And the bad news is I forgot to call you yesterday. So, yeah.
Oh, I get it.
What you need to do is be thankful for the life you got, you know what I'm saying? Stop looking at what you ain't got and start being thankful for what you do got. Let's get it to him, baby girl. Hey!
That's right. And then you see we're gonna go far, 'cause everyone knows who you are.